It's the JakeOfALL, and I've got something new. If you're a woodworker, metal worker, or a worker, you might want this. And in a minute, we're gonna go out to the shop, but let's get it open. This is a digital angle finder. This is awesome for setting angle on your table saw. And I will show you in a minute how we're gonna do that. Nice. I like the fact that it is rechargeable instead of it being like AA's or those little 80-30s. So I'm 0 degrees off. That's not bad. So charging it, it's a USB-C. We'll go ahead and charge it, and then we'll go out to the shop and I'll show you it on the table saw and the miter box. All right, we're out in the workshop, and first thing, shop safety, table saw is unplugged. So we have our angle finder. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. Right. So this is giving us an angle that's just general, right? General to the earth. Put it on the table saw, and it's reading 0.04. So we can come on here and we can zero it. So now it says it's 0, and relative to the bench, the surface of the table saw now, the blade is at 89 point, let's see if we can get you in there a little better. 89.05. So that is pretty on. The nice thing about this, right, with it having a relative angle, is that you can zero it out at this, and then you can turn it, and you'll basically see a different angle. So if you wanted to get the angle of a ceiling, a rafter, and then you wanted to zero it from there, you can by just hitting this button. And then, whoop, so notice it's not saying 0 anymore. I come down here. I'm back. I wanted to add something. It has a laser. So you can totally use it, set an angle, and then see it. So yeah, it's pretty versatile. And that you can just do by scrolling through the laser function right there. So once you turn it on, you can then turn the laser on each side or off. Boom. And then push and hold, turn the whole thing off. Have a good one.